Long-haul examination jabber that spell token cost might actually flood to $6,774 by 2050, with a likely reach somewhere in the range of 6,532 and 7,447. Spell token cost gauge recommends a chance of spell exchanging between jabber to $0.005 in 2025. Examiners project a bullish pattern for spell token in 2030, with costs jibber coming to $0.92 mark. Spell token, spell, is expected to arrive at a most extreme cost of 51.36 jibber 2040. As of the most recent update, spell token is jabber at around 0.0789. Spell is the local badge of abracadabra.money, a decentralized money jibber stage that permits clients to stake, loan, and ranch yields, with spell filling in as the administration and utility token to open different elements and advantages inside the biological system. On the off chance that you're searching for spell jabber cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of spell token spell will go from here on out, we will dissect the previous costs of spell jabber spell and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market gibber. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally jabber, yet we will make an jabber effort. How about we start? Spell Jibber Value Forecast Mini Computer. Our Spell Jabber mini computer utilizes progressed calculations and AI models dissect an immense range of variables, from verifiable value information to showcase opinion, to give an exhaustive expectation of spell token. Basically, input your ideal time jabber and see the expected anticipated worth of spell token. Our Jibber computer will create an extensive rundown of month-to-month cost expectations. Spell token pass value jabber. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of spell token is 0.000789, and spell is as of now jabber number 452 in the whole crypto-biological system. The course supply of spell jabber is 107,405,628,969 with a market cap of 84,795,553. In the beyond jabber hours, the crypto has been diminished by -1% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we analyze the ongoing business jabber cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. Spell token is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto jabber. The spell is down to nearly 14.5% over the most recent jibber days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with jabber portions for recent days. The coin could serious areas of strength for have yet. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Spell token value expectation jibber. Jibber to the gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the cost of spell token is anticipated to reach at any rate level of 0.00084. The spell cost can arrive at a jibber degree of 0.000929 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.0879. Spell value figure October 2024. The spell token gauge for October 2024 jabber that the spell might arrive at a most extreme worth of 0.008533 with a base cost of around 0.0758. Discussing the typical value, spell can stretch around 829 for jabber. Spell token value estimate November 2024. The normal cost of spell token bell could go to jibber toward the finish of November 2024. Spell could be exchanging around a most extreme jabber of 0.000886 with a base expected cost of 0.00831. Spell token spell value expectation December 2024. The cost for spell token in jabber 2024 can run somewhere in the range of 0.00840 and 0.00929. While the typical exchanging cost ought to be around jibber. Spell token value forecast jabber. As per our profound jibber examination on past value information of spell, in 2025 the cost of spell token is gauged to be at around a base worth of $0.2. The spell jibber value worth can arrive at a limit of 0.15 with the typical exchanging worth of 0.0 in USD. Spell Jabber Value Expectation 2026. Spell Jibber cost is estimate to arrive at a least conceivable degree of 0.018 cents in 2026. Jibber to our discoveries, the spell cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of 0.021 with a typical conjecture cost of 0.018. Spell Token Value Jibber 2027. The cost of Spell Token is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of Jabber in 2027. The Spell Token cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 0.33s with the Jibber cost of 0.027 all through 27. Spell Jibber Value Expectation 2028. The cost of Spell Token is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of Jibber in 2028. The Spell Token cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.044, with the Jabber exchanging cost of 0.039s all through 2028. Jabber and joint efforts with laid-out organizations or enterprises can contribute essentially to standard acknowledgement. In view of our Spell Jabber cost expectation in 2040, the base anticipated cost is 4320 EUR and can reach as high as 5136 for the year 2040. It can exchange at a normal Jibber cost of 4639. Spell Value Jabber for 2050. The reception and certifiable use instances of a digital money are similarly Jibber contemplations. Projects with pragmatic applications and broad reception are Jabber to persevere over the long haul. According to the Spell Token cost conjecture for 2050, Spell is expected to arrive at a greatest value Jabber of $7,447 in 2050. The base anticipated cost of Spell coin in Jabber is supposed to be around $6,532, while the typical cost of the Spell Jabber for 2050 is projected to be $0.6774. Spell Token Market Cap Jibber Device. Analyze the market capitalization of Spell Token and other top cryptographic forms of money with our natural Jibber. Perceive how the absolute worth of every digital money's circling supply piles facing others, and gain bits of knowledge into the market Jabber. Select 2 Jabber forms of money to think about their market cap and picture the outcomes. Spell Token Benefit Number Cruncher is a free instrument that permits you to quickly assess the presentation of your spell possessions by working out Jibber benefits and misfortunes in light of fluctuating business sector costs. Basically, enter the Jibber you have contributed, the purchasing cost, and the sell value, expense, and our Spell mini computer will wrap up. How high can Spell Jibber go? The typical cost of Spell Jibber could go to 0.00879 before the current year's over. Jabber, we gauge the 5-year plan. It is assessed that the coin will effectively come to the 0.039 mark. What is the eventual Jibber of Spell Token? The Jibber of Spell Token